If you really want to protect your Instagram account from being hacked, or you want to improve the account security on your Instagram account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see some of the important settings you need to do right now on your Instagram account in order to protect your Instagram account from being hacked and improve the security of your Instagram account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Instagram. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then having opened up your Instagram account, next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon from the bottom right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then make sure you look for app website permission. This is one of the settings you need to take into consideration, and it's going to take you to website permission right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to browser settings. It's going to take you right here. Now from this point here, there are some buttons you need to turn off, and where are some of the buttons you need to turn on right here. Now under the autofill, what you need to do right here is to make sure you disable autofill contact form. So when you disable autofill contact form, if you click on any hash or any link that leads to external platform from Instagram, this button here is going to save you from filling auto of your data into a particular website as a result of clicking on a link. And the next button you need to turn off right there is auto payment forms. So make sure you turn this off so that you don't pay for something you are not interested to buy if you click on any link and it takes you to another outside. Lastly, you have to simply scroll down right here under security section right here. Make sure you turn on this particular button right here. So turn it on. So when you turn on this particular button, each time you are clicking on any phishing link or a link that is not actually genuine, maybe a phishing link to get your information like your username or your password or your phone number in order to hack your account, Instagram is going to notify you that the website or the link is not safe. So it is advisable that you make sure you turn on this particular button right here. So this is one of the important settings you need to take into consideration if you want to protect your Instagram account from being hacked. So let's take a look at another settings here that you need to take into consideration on your Instagram account security. So I'm going to simply go back right here. So under setting and activity, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll to the top right here. Make sure you scroll to the top and then click on account center right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to password and security. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to security checkup. Then select your Instagram handle. That's going to take you right here. From this point here, what you need to do is to make sure you go to password section. Under the password section, make sure you create a very strong password. So update your password regularly with a strong character, just like the example you see right here. Once you enter your new password right here, confirm your password again and make sure you come to the top right here and click on save. With that, it's going to be very difficult for any hacker to suggest your password. The next one you want to do right here is to go to email section right here. What you need to do right here is to make sure you link your Instagram account with an email that you always have access to. It's as simple as that. The third one right here is your phone number right here. Make sure that your phone number is in your two-factor authentication. Lastly, click on two-factor authentications right here and then make sure you set it up. So as you can see right here, two-factor authentication is on. From your own hand, if you have not turned on your two-factor authentication, it is greatly advisable that you turn it on right now. When you turn it on, it protects your Instagram account. If somebody else is trying to have access to your account, you will always get a notification pop-up messages that, are you the one that want to log into the account? So Instagram will always ask you to give a consent if you are the one. But if you are not the one, what you need to do is to simply decline it. And with that, nobody will be able to hack your Instagram account. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are all best settings that you need to put in place in order to secure your Instagram account from any hacker. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.